Sometimes less is more, fewer ingredients and more fun, more taste and more creativity. Baked eggs in pepper cups was one such example. Colored peppers are sweet, works great as a good breakfast, and they look so beautiful when put together. Slice the peppers in half and deseed them one by one. Be careful not to cut through the membrane as it may cause some spillage. Take a baking tray and arrange the colored peppers so that they can fit in snugly or tightly. Choose your favorite color of peppers and make it look all pretty. Add a little bit of chopped olives in each cavity. Chop some basil and add those in the cavity as well. Add mozzarella cheese one by one so that each pepper slice gets a good dose of this deliciousness. Crack a small or a medium size egg depending on the size of pepper in the cavity. Bake in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes as per the texture of the eggs you like and serve them warm. Add baked potato fries to give an extra oomph to the breakfast platter, along with some multi-seed gluten-free oats bread. Into the most delicious, colorful, fun breakfast which is so healthy. Pesto, tomato paste, cheese, eggs, olives. What more could you ask for on a lazy weekend breakfast? For the eggless version, just skip the eggs and add more cheese and some marinara sauce. Add some of your favorite milk, some fruits, and you can have a happy tummy full of good food. So quick and so simple.